All right, so today we're going to be using a number line to find fourths and halves. Okay, so we can think of this as money. Remember, we can have $0 and we can have $1. And this middle here could be like 50 cents, or we could even say it's half $1, right? So if we wanted to figure out a fourth of this number line, we could take our $1 and divide it by 4. So let's go ahead and let's do our division. We know 4 doesn't go into 1, so I'm going to put a 0 above it. Be sure to line up that decimal, because remember, when Nacho kicks off his boots, he has to hang his hat. And then I'm going to ask myself how many 4s are in 10. Okay, well, there's 2 4s in 10. And 4 times 2 is 8. We have to remember to regroup when we subtract. 10 take away 8 is 2. Bring down. 4 goes into 20 5 times. And 4 times 5 is 20. And now we've zeroed out. So we know that a fourth of $1 is 25 cents. So we know that it is exactly between $0 and 50 cents. So I'm going to put 0.25 here. And we know that that is 1/4 of our number line. Okay, and then here, now we have 0.25. Okay, we know that 25 plus 25 cents is 50 cents, which is the halfway mark. So if we wanted to know the value of the next tick mark here, we could just add another 25 cents. And when we add it, we get 75 cents. So down here, this would be 75 cents. Or we could even say that this is 1/4, a half, or 3/4. Because remember, 1/2 is also known as 2/4. So that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. But it's easier to look at a number line when you're looking at money. So we're going to look at the bottom part. We're going to see 0, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. All right, let's go ahead now and let's look at this next one here. We can put what we know. We know that this is 0. A fourth of the number line is going to be 25 cents. We know that halfway is going to be our 50 cents. And 3/4 of the way is going to be our 75 cents. So we're just putting in the main points of the number line so we can graph these numbers. Okay, remember, anytime we have a number, so like 0 and 6/10, if we want it to look like money, remember, money always goes to that hundreds place. So we can put a 0 behind that, and now it looks like 60 cents. Now we're not trying to find the exact area. We're just trying to find an approximate area for it. So we know 60 cents is greater than 50 cents, but less than 75 cents. But it's a little bit closer to the 50 cents, so we can put it about right there. All right, our next one is very clearly written. This looks like 95 cents. We know that 95 cents is greater than 75 cents, but less than $1. But we know that it's closer to the dollar, so we can put it about right there. All right, the 0 into hundreds. Be careful, this is not 20 cents. This is 2 cents because the 2 is in the hundred spot. So we know that 2 cents is closer to having $0. So we can put it over here. All right, our next one is pretty easy too. We have 81 cents. So we know 81 cents is just a little bit more than 75 cents. So we can put it just a little bit beyond the 75 cents. All right, and then now we have the 0 and 325 thousandths. Remember, money only goes to the hundredth spot. So you can make this 5 disappear. And it's like we have 32 cents. So we know 32 cents is a little bit more than 25 cents. So we can put it close to here. Okay? All right, now let's look at our main points here again. Our number line starts with 0, so this is like $0. Then notice our next main point is $1. Then our next main point is $2. So everything that's in between, we could ask ourselves, what's exactly between 0 and 1? And we could say that this would be 50 cents. So here we have 0, 50 cents, $1. If we skip count evenly, this would be $1.50. Or you can ask yourself what's exactly between $1 and $2, and that would be $1.50. All right, so let's go ahead and put our main points on here again. I'm going to put our 50 cents between 0 and 1. And then I'm going to put our $1.50 between 1 and 2. Okay? So here we have 0.1 or 0 and 1/10. That doesn't look like money. So anytime I want something to look like money, I can always put that 0 behind it. See here how there's a 0 behind it as a reminder? And we can say 10 cents is greater than 0 but less than 50 cents. And it's definitely closer to the 0, so we can put it about there. Okay, next we have $1.25. We know $1.25 is greater than $1 but less than $1.50. In fact, $1.25, remember 25 is a fourth of $1, so it should be exactly between the 1 and the 150. Okay, here is 86 cents. So we know 86 cents is less than $1. So we want to make sure we put it after the 1. I'm sorry, before the 1, but after the 50 cents because it's greater than 50 cents, but a little bit closer to the 1. So about there. Okay, 51 cents is definitely very, very, very close to the 50 cents. So we'll put that one about there. And then $1.57 would definitely be greater than $1.50, but just a little bit more. So it would be about there.